Hi, in this tutorial I'll show you how to record a voice over a clip in CapCut for PC. Let's do it! Cool, I've got a clip here in my timeline, let's check it out. Nice, but it has no sound, so I want to record a voice over it. I will click here in this mic icon. I will select the input device. Now I'm using my webcam's mic and I will change to my audio interface. All right, I will adjust the volume. I guess I will increase a little bit. Check sound. Okay. If I want, I can turn on echo reduction to avoid echo from the speaker, but now my speakers are turned off, so I don't need to. If I click here in mute project, sounds in all clips will be turned off after mute project turning on. Again, that's not the case because my clip has no sound. And if you are a CapCut Pro version user, if you click here in enhance voice, it will automatically remove echoes, popping sounds, mouth clicks and other noises, enhancing the voice to studio quality. I will make two recordings, one with this function turned off and one with this function turned on. Once I'm ready to record, all I've got to do is hit the record button. It will count 3 seconds and the voiceover will be recording. This is a voice over a beautiful clip that shows a woman walking through nature. Alright, I will close this menu and let's hear. This is a voice over a beautiful clip that shows a woman walking through nature. That's nice. Now I will do it again in the same clip but in another place, and I will check the enhance voice function. This is a voice over a beautiful clip that shows a woman walking through nature. And let's check it out. This is a voice over a beautiful clip that shows a woman walking through nature. And then without enhancing, this is a voice over a beautiful clip that shows a woman walking through nature. I'm recording with a very good mic, so we cannot see that much of a difference. But if you are recording with a trash mic or in a trash room, it can help you. And that's it. If you liked this tutorial, please subscribe to my channel to always get new free videos. See ya!